Hello, today we're replacing a control board for GE Energy Star 22.1 cubic feet counter depth French door fridge. So you have your light if you need one, you have your Phillips head you're gonna need, you have your T15 star tool you're gonna need, and you have your new control board. With that being said, let's get to work. So it's quite simple. Everything is going to be there in front of you. You have two screws underneath. Let me show you guys. There's one screw right there. There's another screw on that side. So just a quick Phillips head screw that you will need. So one on this side. Drop right there, so I'm good to go. Another one on this side. Let's see. There she goes. See how it's dropping down already? Some don't do it, but I already worked on this one, so I'm just showing you guys. Just slide it down, simple. Just slide it down. You have two wires, two. Let me show you guys. You have this one, which is already out, and you have this one. Just release those, you're done. This third one is just sits in there. But now here you go, your new board, right? So you see these four black screws? They have 1, 2, 3, 4. Get your T15 star tool and just simply remove these. Remove them. Hold on. Okay, that one is out. Okay, that one is out. Okay, that one is out. And you could do this with a drill if you have these parts. I'm doing it with the hand tools because it'd be easier to show you guys with the hand tools. So simple. All the tools are out, simple, just pops out. You place the new one back in. Simple. Return the screws. 1 second. Let's get these screws in hand. Get these screws in hand. Simple. One. Okay. Bear with me. 1 second, guys. Put that one in also. 2. And then let's get this third one. Let's get this third one. Okay, 3. And the fourth one. Let's get this fourth one back in here. And the fourth one, let's go. Okay, all 4 of them are back in. Simply reattach the plugins. Simple, reattach the plugins. Make sure you don't pull on it or do anything like that. Make sure the power is off also. I always forget that every video to tell you guys to turn off the power. That's the tape from it being new. Simply push it against, make sure everything is in. Press it against, it goes up. See how the light comes back on? We're back in business. Take your screws, place them back in underneath, securing the board. And voila, You're back in business. Everything works again. You're good to go. See, you're good to go. So that's how you change the GE Energy Star 22.1 cubic feet counter depth French door refrigerator. So thank you. If you guys got any questions about anything else on the fridge, we're going to tackle those over time. But this is Brazil Yes Fix It signing out.